Hello friends, welcome to Abhi Anvi tutorials. So today in this video we'll see how to number format with plus or minus sign with percentage. Okay. For example, I have a total amount column here. So I want to display in another column plus 10.5% and minus 10.5%. Okay. I want to display plus and minus percentages. Okay. So let's see how to do it. Let's write a measure. Okay, then use the format function, total amount, sum of total amount. Okay, the format is 0 point plus, right? So use the plus 0.0 percentage. Okay, and semicolon minus 0.0 percentage. Okay, then close it and let's see, add measure to the table, a matrix. Okay, so like this you will get the percentages of plus number or minus a positive number or negative number. Okay, and if you don't want a plus before 0 percentage, you can remove that by using one more step here. Okay, semicolon 0 percentage. Okay, right. So let's see the output. So this will go off. Okay guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, appear with tutorials for more such amazing tax videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.